Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making mixed veggie pasta. Kids don't like veggies, do these kind of recipes. Oil 2 tablespoons, garlic clove 4, cherry tomatoes 100 grams or you can use normal tomatoes, carrot and broccoli 1 cup. Salt as per taste, close the lid, cook on low heat for 7 to 8 minutes. Make fine paste, veggies paste, pepper 2 tablespoons, salt as per taste. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Please support my channel. Mix everything. Add half cup water. Cook on low heat. Now add milk 1 cup. Mixed herbs 1 tablespoon, optional. Mix everything. Now add boiled pasta 2 cups. I am using whole wheat pasta. You can use normal pasta as well. Mix everything. Cook on medium heat for 5 minutes. Now it's ready to serve. It takes only 20 minutes to cook. Instead of buying restaurant food, try to make different varieties of food at home with healthy options. Grapes. For sweet tooth, I am using filled cookies. For namkeen, ding dong crackers. Mix veggie pasta. For protein, I am adding chicken. You can add paneer as well. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. See ya. Bye.